Welcome to the Crypto Engine channel. It's been a while since I've done JASMY coin, so I thought I would do another video on JASMY really quickly. So, this is on the weekly time frame. We can see that on the weekly time frame you had this falling wedge. These are the black lines. That's the falling wedge. It wasn't very good. I'm going to just restart. We're going to remove all the drawings and start fresh. You have resistance at 4.4. I've talked about that for a very long time. You have support down here at 15.7. You have more resistance at 2.7. And you have a little bit more resistance at 3.3. So, that's what we got going on the weekly. On the weekly time frame, as far as the RSI goes, you right now are getting close to being overbought. So let's use some caution, be somewhat cautious here on the weekly time frame. On the 3-day time frame for JASMY coin, it right now is putting in some tweezer tops. Not a great signal. Actually, that's not really tweezer tops. The daily time frame, to me though, I will say that it looks somewhat like a bull flag. It's not the prettiest, but that could be a bull flag here forming for JASMY on the daily time frame. You have to remember, Bitcoin's going to the upside. A lot of altcoins are going to the upside. If this is anything near the top 100, a lot of these altcoins are going to rip. You have resistance at 2.7 cents, but this measure move gets you all the way up to 3.1 cents or just above 3 cents. To be conservative, we'll call it 3 cents. This measure move gets you up to 3 cents, which is also probably going to be psychological resistance on JASMY. If we go down the 12-hour, you can see that the 12-hour made a higher low. That's a very bullish sign. Let me just tweak this a little bit. The 8-hour time frame right now in a downtrend, the 6-hour in a downtrend, the 4-hour time frame kind of choppy, doesn't look great. Let me jump down to the 1 hour. 1 hour right now, oversold. I would basically look at it like this. Technically speaking, if JASMY holds this level and does not lose 1.9 cents, we'll call it, I see another move, big move coming to the upside. So let me go back to the 4-hour time frame. If you hold 1.9 cents, I see a move coming just above 3 cents. So you could enter long here, a stop at 1.8, 1.9, and a take profit up at 3.1 cents. Not financial advice. That's just kind of the trade setup I see. I think there's better trade setups out there, but that's the trade setup that I see. You have to think, if you go from 2 to 3 cents, that is a 33% move to the upside. That's not a bad trade set up if you think about it. So we'll see what happens, but that's kind of the trade I have. The 4-hour time frame overall looks good to me on JASMY. You just have to get some love, and maybe that means Bitcoin would go sideways for a little bit, but we'll see what happens. So if you guys enjoyed this trade, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. It does help support the channel, so it's the least you guys can do. If you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is in the description below. Again, I would enter maybe now with a stop at 1.9 cents, 1.8 cents, and a take profit at 3 cents. So you can choose where your stop loss is, but in between 1.8 and 1.9 is where I would have it. I think that's a pretty good trade setup. I think there's better ones, but I think it's an okay trade setup on JASMY. So yeah, that's what I got going on. That's what I see going on. I think JASMY's bullish right now if we stay above 1.9 cents, and I guess I'll leave it at that. And yeah, that's what I got. If you guys yeah, I already said that. So until next time, trade safe. Have a great rest of your Tuesday, everyone. And until next time.